Hello everyone, as you may know, I have been covering lots of geometry topics for a while, and now I decided to go over geometry state test prep questions. These are the questions that Ohio State has released for geometry test takers. So we are going to start from the first question, and then I'm going to try to cover all of those questions in time. Let's get started. This question is about using coordinates to prove simple geometric theorems algebraically and to verify specific geometric statements. This question is about a piece of line segment and then writing the ratio of two segments. So let's draw what it says. It says line segment AB has endpoints A and B. So let's draw a line segment that has endpoints A and B. And the coordinates are given. B is 4.58, A is negative 1.5, 0. And there's this information as well. Point C is on line segment AB. So point C is on this segment. It can be anywhere on the segment and is located at 0, 2. So let's plot another point. It doesn't need to be exactly in the middle. We don't know if it's in the middle. So just place it randomly on the segment. Now the question is that what is the ratio of segment AC, the length of segment AC over the length of segment CB? So we are going to figure out AC first, this blue segment, and then we are going to figure out CB, this purple segment. So the most common mistake here is when students have these type of questions, they usually don't exactly read it. They just assume that they need to find the distance from A to B, which is going to be wrong. So first we are going to find the length of segment AC. So let's do that. And then we are going to divide it by the length of CB. So the length of AC, before moving on to that one, I want to go over the distance formula, because if you'll need this, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So for this question, for AC, I'm going to assume this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's get started by writing the distance formula for segment AC. x2 minus x1 is 0 minus negative 1.5. We are going to square this plus y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 0. We are going to square this. So whatever this is, we are going to divide it by the distance of CB. So first, we are going to deal with this part. 0, it becomes plus 1.5. So 1.5 squared plus 2 minus 0 is 2. We are going to square this number. So 1.5 squared is 2.25. So 2.25 plus 2 squared is 6. Sorry, 2 squared is 4. So if we add these together, we get square root of 6.25. And if you calculate this, you get 2.5 for the length of AC. Now, this is what we know. And let's do the same thing for the purple segment, CB. So this time I'm going to assume this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Subtract the y values. 8 minus 2 squared plus 4.5, minus 0 squared. So 6 minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. We are going to square this number. Plus 4.5 minus 0 is 4.5. We are going to square that number. 6 squared is 36. 4.5 squared is 20.25. So if we add these two numbers, we get square root of 56.25. If you simplify square root of 56.25, you get 7.5 for the length of CB. Now, the question was finding the ratio of AC over CB. Now I know what AC is equal to. AC is 2.5 divided by CB, and I know CB is 7.5. So now you can write this as your final answer. You can write it as, but if you simplify 2.5 over 7.5, you get 1 over 3. This can be another answer, or this can be another answer, or you can say, let me see, any other answer that is equivalent to 2.5 over 7.5 can be written as the answer. Any of these are going to be correct. So you can choose any of these and then write the answer. Also, again, if you can come up with any other answer that is equivalent to this, like 0.33, that could be the answer as well. So you need to type your answer by using these numbers over here, and then you're going to submit your answer. Please comment below if you have any questions about this question. If not, I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching, guys.